Welcome to clickmeproject.com. This is our project title, Public Integrity Auditing for Dynamic Regenerating Code Based Cloud Storage. And this is our project abstract. In this paper we propose a public auditing scheme for the regenerating code based cloud storage to solve the regeneration problem of filed authenticator in the absence of data owner. We introduce a proxy which is privileged to regenerate the authenticator into the traditional public auditing system model. Moreover, we design a novel public verifiable authenticator which is generated by a couple of keys and can be regenerated using partial keys. Thus, our scheme can complete release data owners from online burden. In addition, we randomize the encode coefficients with a pseudo-random function to preserve data privacy. Extensive security analysis shows that our scheme is provable security under random oracle model and experimental evaluation indices that our scheme is highly efficient and can be feasibility integrity into the regenerating code based cloud storage. And this is our data flow diagram. First input, the input is maybe the request from the data owner on the data users. After, if you want to input the same data owner, the user has to log into the cloud. After that, if it is registered in the cloud, if you register in the cloud, you can straightly log into the cloud process. Else we have to register your ID and password in the cloud, and we have to then we have to log into the cloud process, and then initialize our auditing server. The auditing services, we have to initialize the auditing server for auditing the uploaded files and downloaded files. After that, upload the file by the file users or the file by the upload users by the data owner. The uploader of the data owner of the file, and have to after uploading the file will be audited by the auditor, and you have to generate a key, and yes, the key will be fixed for that file, and then receive the audited file by the client. The audited file will be sent to the client, and that file will be stored into the cloud storage. After that, if you want to data means the data user, you have to download the file, means you have to get the request from the auditor, and have to after getting the request from the data owner, and then we have to decrypt the file. If we want to, and then if we want to, then the output will be the regenerative code, means they have to if the file will be deleted in any of the system, means you have to proxy will be regenerate the code and regenerate the file from the proxy, and fix the problem in the different distributed server. If the distributed server, I mean the distributed server loses any files, any distributed server loses any files, and will be added in all the servers, and will be retain the lost file by the proxy server. And then now we have to see the demo of our project. Click home.java and right click on it and select run file option in NetBeans IDE tool. Yes, our project is home screen will be displayed in our window, and when click here to enter into the user and the normal user. First we have to, if you're new user, means you have to click the user and then give username, and then password, and confirm the password. Yes, register successfully, and then login. Yes, we have to log in successfully. We have to have any notification, means we have to check the notification. If any request our file, means we have to check the notification. And then first you have to upload the files. and select any file. Yes, I select this file, open, and select the any user to share the file means we have to share. If we want to share, don't want to share anything means you have to just upload the file. Then I want to share the file for SSS and add it and upload the file. File encrypted successfully and fully encrypted, and view username and file name and generate the public key and send the key, and after sending the key the key will be sent it and will be uploaded successfully. Then sign out from the process, and then we have to log in into the SSS. Login. Now we have to download the file, the data user and the data user. What all the things we have to view the uploaded files means if you uploaded by the SSS means the SSS files will be displayed, and the others files are here. This is the files which is uploaded by that our registered user. Yes, here it is, and the key will be displayed. We select the cloud service providers means select the providers and download the file. Is decrypted successfully and we will open. Yes, here it is. The file will be decrypted and it is stored here. And now we have to check the TPS server for regenerating the code for that process. I have to go to the cloud server and select any file, and we have to select this file, and I will delete it from the server 1, and it's deleted. And now we have to check the recovery management, audit the off clouds, and view the report. The report is generated. Server 1 SSS and server 1 AA is lost its files. Send audit report, view report. Yes, and regenerate the code. After regenerate the code, the file will be automatically recovered. Then close the window. Thanks to listen this video.